Today, I gonna share with you my new discovery about what I discovered. Sobrang sulit, affordable, at napakasarap pa ng food nila dito. Kaya, let's check it out! Presenting Momo Korean Egg Drop. Primarily, they are serving egg drop sliders. Pero ito ang aking itatry. Two kinds of their bokkeumbap or rice meal. Here's their chicken kimchi bokkeumbap. It comes with glazed fried chicken, nori, odeng, sunny-side up egg, and kimchi rice. And here's the beef bokkeumbap. Let's take a look what's inside. First, let's check the beef meat, and it comes with a fat. Here's the nori sheet, the sunny side up egg, the kimchi rice, and the odeng. And here comes the taste test. And here's my honest review. 5-star for the taste. Sakto ang anghang at tamis. Ang lambot pa ng mga meat. Affordability, 5-star kasi sulit na sulit siya. Napaka worth it ng price niya. Let's give 3-star for the service kasi wala naman tayong na-encounter na any negative behavior. Let's set into neutral. Napakasulit na ito kasi until now, hindi ko pa siya maubos. Kasi medyo maangang-alam siya kasi kimchi rice. Try to be momofied at Momo Korean Egg Drop.